In this video, we will learn how to print all the files in a directory as a stream. We are going to use list method, which is static from java.neo.files class, which takes a path as an argument and return a stream, which is a wrap of a directory stream. First, I will import java.neo file package and also Java util package for stream. Then I will call files.list method using the private resource block so we can close the stream after we are done. So that we try stream and then the path and list and then files dot list and then pass in path, and that will be my root directory. Home /sm and then need a catch to catch exception. That will be IO exception, and I'm going to print the stack trace. Over here I need to add stream and need to import java.io. And now I can use list dot for each method and pass in our system dot out print line. So all the files and the directories will be printed. And you can see over here some files and directory names are printed on console. So this way you can print all the files in a directory as a stream. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.